Hi, it's Amanda, the Nail Polish Hound, and if you want to see my honest review of the new Holo Taco magnetic polishes, then stay tuned. I'm going to start off with Menchie Cat Eye, and this is described as a sage green polish with a pale white gold magnetic stripe, scattered holographic micro glitters, and a green iridescent shimmer. I think this is extremely pretty, and I certainly don't have anything quite like it in my collection. So in all of my swatches, I'm going to be starting off with a smoothing base by Holo Taco. I won't show you this step on every swatch that I do. And here is the first coat of Menchie Cat Eye. Goes on nice and easily and very smoothly. And here I'm holding the magnet over the top of the nail for at least 30 seconds. And you need to magnetize each coat that you do. So here's the second coat going on. And the magnet again for at least 30 seconds. Holo Taco do recommend that you do 60 seconds, but I was getting a little bit impatient and I still got a decent magnetic effect. And you want to seal in the manicure with a top coat, and I'm using Glossy Taco. And again, you need to reapply the magnet when you apply the top coat, in order to keep that magnetic line as strong as possible. So here's what that one looked like in macro and in motion. Next we have got Zyler Cat Eye, and just a moment to appreciate the boxes on these are so pretty, and when you put Menchie and Zyler together, much like the original glitters, you get that little cat image on the back. So these polishes are of course inspired by Christine's Cat's Eyes, Menchie and Zyler. And now we're moving on to Zyler, and it's described as being a warm orange to copper polish with a pale copper magnetic stripe, scattered holographic micro glitters, and a red to orange iridescent shimmer. And this is the one that I wore first, and it is on my nails in this video. Here's the first coat going on. Again, nice and easy to apply. I did overwork it a little bit there. Holding the magnet as before for 30 seconds. Got a little bit of flooding of my cuticle, but that cleaned up nice and easily. Here's the second coat going on. And holding the magnet over the top of it again. And that's what it looks like after two coats magnetized. Here's what my full hand swatch looks like for this one. And a little bit of a macro shot there as well for you. And I have seen some people saying that they think that that magnetic line blows out over time. So here's a comparison of the ring finger that I'd literally just done compared to the other fingers that I've been wearing for 4 days. So it does spread out a little bit, but not very much. And the last one in the trio is Cool Cat Mom, and this is Christine's birthday polish. This one is definitely going to be a limited edition. The other two, she said she might continue to stock for a little while longer. And again, the box on these is just so pretty. This is supposed to represent the magnetic shift itself, and you've got a tiny bit of Holo and also the Holo Taco logos on the box as well. So Cool Cat Mum is described as being a deep royal blue polish with a pink magnetic stripe, scattered holographic micro glitters, and blue reflective glitters. And as you can see here, the magnetic effect on this one is actually quite complex. I don't know how exactly this polish does this, but different angles, it does appear to be more colours than specified in the description. I can definitely see a little bit of green in there. So this is what the polish looks like under the flashlight. And here's its application. Because of the reflective glitters, this one is a little bit more gritty than the others, but still quite nice and easy to work with. You're just going to need a decent top coat or two to even out the reflective glitters at the end. So here it is, magnetised on the first coat, and then applying the second coat. Once again, applying that magnet, and there it is in 2 coats magnetised. But at this angle you're not seeing all the different colours that you do get. In the macro shot you can see the variety. The first one here is without a flash and the second one is with a flash. And here's that macro shot in motion, so you can see all the different colours within that magnetic stripe. I hope you've enjoyed this swatch and review. Do let me know in the comments below if you like these polishes, if you're planning to get them, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!